miles an hour.
Here we go, guys.
Hazard, golf ball size hail at 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. Impact, people. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for west central Lincoln County and central Oklahoma, northeastern Oklahoma County and central Oklahoma, southeastern Logan County and central Oklahoma, until 5:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:11 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed tornado was located near Arcadia, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include a damaging tornado and golf ball size hail. A tornado has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Flying debris will be deadly to people and animals. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include southeastern Edmond, Jones, Luther, Arcadia, and Fallis. Repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.